Heyo! Welcome to vlog number 14. Welcome to my channel. Just before we get started, just click the like button down below this video. Subscribe, share it with everybody. Now that we get that out of the way, kiss me neck back, you mash up. Oh my god. Like if you know you can't land a trick, if you know you cannot land a trick, why the hell pick up a bicycle and go and do it? Because you smash out the whole of your face. The whole of your face gets smashed right the frig out. Speaking of people who getting them ass whooped by a bicycle, check out this big dude right here. Check him out. Oh my god, feel back done. If you know you're overweight, why you jump on the bicycle and you try to do a hump? You can't lift off high ground. Watch. Look. Jeez, talking about flying. Whenever you're going skydiving, please make sure your personal belongings are secured, they're tucked away somewhere safe, that you don't lose nothing when they're dropping from the sky. Wait, wanna see? I'm gonna slow it down. Watch again. In fast steep fly out. One more time. One more time. One fast steep fly out. Watch. 3, 2, 1. Oh god, what I would do to my friend if he fling a blasted dart in my hand. And then I'ma find another one. This time this man holding a peace sign with a bullseye right in the middle, like
fucking finger! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ow! You piece of shit, Steve! You dickhead! Oh my finger! No shit!
oh my god, it went right through! What the hell did you do to my finger? Because you put your hand in front of the dartboard and make your friend fling a dart inside of it. If you did a little bit agile enough to know, say yo, your friend is stupid and he's drunk, you'd probably move your finger and you probably wouldn't get joke in your finger. I stumbled across this video of a goat. I ain't gonna say nothing more, you can play. I cannot do a handstand as clean as that. Don't watch when him drop off, you know, but just look at it, just look for how him jump in at the barrel and then him back leg and just kick up and he just dead for a good 2 seconds, then him drop over. That is freaking amazing. And as always, that's the vlog, guys. Like, subscribe, share it. Like and subscribe. Peace. See you on vlog 15.